Welcome to the world of the Channa Pleurophthalma.
This species is also known as the Orange-Spotted Snakehead.
This amazing fish originates from the beautiful waters of Indonesia.
The species is natively found in Sumatra and Borneo.
The name refers to the eye-like spots on the flanks.
Look closely at the beautiful spots near the tail fin.
The spots confuse predators in the wild nature. The body shape is long and cylindrical, like a torpedo.
Notice the flat head that looks exactly like a snake.
The mouth is large with a prominent lower jaw.
The lower jaw features many small and sharp teeth.
Despite the fierce look, the fish can be very shy. The fish is always alert and watching the surroundings.
In the wild, the fish can reach up to 50 centimeters.
A 50-centimeter fish requires a very massive space.
Unlike other snakeheads, this species loves to live in groups.
The schooling behavior continues even when the fish reach adulthood.
Living in a group makes the fish feel much safer. Male fish often develop a stunning bluish coloration.
Inches. The male body is usually more slender and streamlined. Female fish tend to keep the classic greenish color. The female body is generally rounder and heavier.
Can you spot the difference between the male and the female?
Fish hunt together as a highly coordinated pack.
When one fish attacks the food, the others will follow.
Feeding time is a fascinating group activity.
The fish has a special labyrinth organ for breathing.
The fish can breathe oxygen directly from the air.
Surface breathing allows survival in low oxygen waters.
This species loves to swim in the upper water levels.
A minimum tank length of 240 centimeters is required. A width of 60 centimeters allows proper turning space. A heavy and tight lid is absolutely mandatory.
Snakeheads are notorious jumpers and will escape open tanks.
Keep the water temperature between 22 and 28 degrees.
Tropical temperatures keep the fish active and healthy. The ideal pH level ranges from 6 to 7.5.
Slightly acidic water mimics the natural Asian habitat.
Juvenile fish are extremely sensitive to water changes.
Avoid massive water changes when the fish are young.
Stability is the key to raising the young snakeheads.
The diet consists of raw meat and high-protein foods.
The fish can be trained to accept premium carnivore pellets.
A varied diet ensures the best coloration and health.
Never keep this fish with small tank mates.
Small fish will quickly become an expensive snack.
The fish can live peacefully with other large species.
Large bottom dwellers make great tank companions.
Provide large hiding spots to reduce the fish stress.
Driftwood and roots recreate the natural river environment.
Floating plants dim the light and make the fish comfortable.
Dim lighting brings out the best orange and blue colors.
A gentle water flow is preferred over a strong current.
Proper exercise keeps the body thick and muscular.
The fish loves to observe the room from a safe distance.
Snakeheads are smart and can recognize the owner.
The fish will quickly learn the daily feeding schedule.
Watching a group swim together is truly mesmerizing.
Clean water ensures the fins stay perfect and unbitten.
The fish is hardy and heals quickly in good water.
Every single fish has a unique head and spot pattern.
The eyes can move to scan for food above and below.
The fish acts like the sunken log to ambush food.
When needed, the fish has incredible burst speed.
Total control and grace in every single movement.
The large pectoral fins provide amazing stability. A big yawn shows off the impressive jaw structure.
The fish is usually calm during routine tank maintenance.
Live plants provide great cover and improve water quality.
A soft bottom prevents scratches on the fish belly.
A healthy slime coat makes the scales shine beautifully. The group sleeps closely together during the nighttime.
The group wakes up hungry and ready for breakfast.
The contrast of the spots makes this fish a living art piece.
The king of the Southeast Asian rivers.
Floating food sticks are great for surface feeding. Do you have the space for this magnificent creature?
Raising a fish to 50 centimeters is a great achievement.
These fish can live for many years with proper care.
Never release pet snakeheads into the local waterways.
Protect the native ecosystems by keeping fish indoors.
The slime coat protects the fish from harmful bacteria.
Shrimp meat helps to enhance the natural orange colors.
Almond leaves release beneficial tannins into the water.
Tannins make the fish feel safe and boost the colors.
A group tank is the ultimate goal for snakehead keepers.
Look at the impressive broad back of a healthy adult.
Heavy filtration is needed for such large predator fish.
Regular partial water changes keep the tank pristine.
The dark eyes give the fish a very mysterious appearance. Even the dorsal fin has beautiful, subtle patterns.
The fish can glide using only the pectoral fins.
Dominance is established peacefully within the group.
Grace, power, intelligence. The orange-spotted snakehead. Like, share, and subscribe for more monster fish guides.
Hit the bell to join the monster fish community.
Have you ever kept a snakehead fish? Comment below.
Start your giant biotope aquarium project today.
This is the Aquatic line.
Happy fish keeping.